Today, we will bring you our 300 watts pulse laser cleaning machine. It's not only easy to operate, but also suitable for the rust removal. It's wood-cooled style. This machine is made of high-strength steel and sheet metal, making it very easy to move and transport. This is our 4th generation laser cleaning head. It's very light. You won't feel tired when you hold it for a long time. There is safety lock to protect, and this is the laser button. And we make it the fiber optic cable up to 10 meters, even 20 meters to meet the long distance operation needs. Okay, as you can see, this is our latest system. You can preset different parameters here, such as for wood, for metal, for different materials. It supports 12 languages, and we can also customize the languages for you. Now we can see this is our latest control system. As you can see, this machine supports 12 cleaning modes, and for different cleaning needs, you can choose different cleaning modes. Today we will show you this machine to clean the rust on the metal of vehicles. We can see that the surface of this car has been exposed to a wet environment for a long time, and a large area of rust has appeared. Traditional cleaning methods such as modification or chemical cleaning are often inefficient, time-consuming, and labor-intensive, and may even damage the surface coating. Now let's take a look at the actual effect of laser cleaning. The operator uses a 300 watts pulse laser cleaning machine to clean the rusted area of the car. The laser can effectively remove the rust layer without causing damage to the metal structure of the car. You can clearly see the effect of cleaning. The rusted area has been completely renewed. This is before cleaning, this is after cleaning. This laser cleaning machine can not only clean the rust paint on the metal, but also protect the surface without damaging. After cleaning, it meets the painting standard and has a certain roughness. Next, we will show you the rust cleaning of car aluminum hubs. There is some rust and oxide on the hubs. As you can see, this is before cleaning and after cleaning. The rust and oxide has been completely removed. The hubs becomes new.